Anthropic just published new rules for working with Claude 5 generation models. And some of what they're recommending is genuinely different from what worked before. First, what even is context engineering? It's the practice of deliberately crafting what you put into a model's context window, the instructions, examples, memory, and data the model sees before it responds. It's not just prompt writing. It's about the full structure of information you hand the model. Anthropic is specifically calling these the new rules for Claude 5 generation models. The implication is that techniques that worked well on earlier versions don't map cleanly onto newer ones. The model's capabilities shifted, so the optimal way to communicate with it shifted too. That's worth taking seriously rather than assuming your old prompts still perform the same way. The post comes from Anthropic's official blog and was picked up on Hacker News, where it earned 375 points and 271 comments. That's a pretty high engagement signal for a technical blog post, which suggests practitioners found it relevant, not just theoretical. Here's the caveat worth mentioning. The source material we have is a pointer to the blog post and its Hacker News reception, not a full breakdown of every specific rule inside it. So if you want the actual techniques, you'll need to read the original post directly. We're not going to pretend we have details we don't. If you're building on top of Claude 5 models, whether that's agents, pipelines, or just complex assistant workflows, context engineering is where a lot of performance headroom lies. Getting the structure of your context wrong can make a capable model behave like a worse one. That's the practical stakes here. The original post is linked below. If you're actively building with Claude 5, it's probably worth an actual read rather than a summary.